This ain't no photo?
Yeah.
Nah, you on camera.
This the camcorder, man.
Hey, it's your boy AB, you know what I'm saying, from Boulder City, across the river.
Across the river.
Shreveport.
Yeah.
Doing a BIG, so, you know what I'm saying, let them know.
Yeah.
Real talk.
We worldwide, that's what's up.
Real talk.
Alright, yeah, real
What's up,
talk.
homie? You on this thing?
What's happening with you, man?
Already.
What y'all boys got going on here?
Chilling, my nigga. Doing a live video shoot, you heard me?
Yeah.
You on camera right now, you gonna be on YouTube, my
Put
nigga.
me in that thing, man.
You heard me?
Gonna be right next to
I'm trying to get on the next song, you heard me?
Real talk.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Rap.
Yeah, I do a little something, man.
Well, look. We out here promoting the new mixtape, man. Your boy Baby Savage. So you know we gonna hook you up with a post of my number on there. You call me so we can get a track in. We gonna get a track and a video in.
You gotta check out the new CD, man.
Now I'ma see if you ready. If you gonna call, hit me up. We gonna get it in the booth. Yeah. What your name is?
T, man. T.
Okay. Baby Savage. Good to meet you, man. Straight up. Fuck with me.
All right.
Showing major love to Boss City, you heard me? We showing love to Boss City. We fuck with the whole ratchet, you heard me?
That's how we do it in the South.
We just switched the game up here. I just switched my glasses, you know what I'm saying? I got my shade game like crazy. I went and bought like 20-pound shades the other day, man. Cause I don't like going to the club without no shades. I don't like people seeing my eyes. You know what I'm saying? Cause sometimes I be looking at them hoes. I be wanting to stay them down for a little while, so I gotta put the shades on so they can't see me, you know what I'm saying?
Already.
And then when I see them looking at me, I don't want them to know I know that they be looking at me. Cause when them hoes be looking at you, if you look at them, they turn the other way. I'm like, yeah, go ahead and look, get your stare on. You know what I'm saying? But on some real game though, right? I got the new mixtape out. I'm pushing 100,000 copies. I'm flooding Shreveport, Baton Rouge, Monroe, Alexandria, all the major cities in Louisiana. I'm also gonna flood like the medium and minor towns also with a certain number of copies, posters, and flyers, you know what I'm saying, and billboards. Like the promotion and marketing is gonna be ridiculous. The album come out November 16th, 2011, and it's going down. You hear me? So, like, you really need to come check us out, because we getting it in, bro. And believe this right here. I'm feeling like this here. The album going platinum. Fuck. I was finna say gold, but it's going platinum. Fuck it. Straight up. Just like this. Just like